What's the meaning of critic? Critic. Critic.
Critic. Critic. The term critic refers to a person who evaluates and analyzes something, e.g. a work of art, a movie, a book, or a performance, and provides their opinion or judgment about its quality and worthiness. Critics can be professionals or amateurs and use various methods to assess the object of their critique, such as examining its style, technique, content, or message. Their reviews or critiques can have a significant impact on the public's perception and reception of the subject. In short, a critic is someone who offers a critical assessment of an object and influences others' opinions of it.